am Mrs. Frog, and I am going to teach the kids today.
But Frog wants
We have a little friend, Mr. Maverick. Hello, Mr. Maverick. Are you ready to learn today?
Mr. Frog.
Yes.
Can I tell you a question,
Great.
Mr. Frog?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a brother. Can I tell you?
He is such a cute baby. Oh my goodness, look at that baby.
He used to love Mr. Frog.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So,
But he also smiles, Mr. Frog.
all right.
Are you going to take a picture of us, Mr. Frog?
How about after the lesson?
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's start. So today we are going to be learning the letter P. All about letter P.
But, Mr. Frog, you won't get mad at us, right?
No. But we all need to behave, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's start. Let's flip through the
Can I
pages.
tell you something, Mr. Frog?
Yes, ma'am.
Mackenzie stole your book.
It's okay. I'll pick it up.
Okay.
All right, kiddos. Let's start. Okay, let's start with the first page, Mackenzie.
This one?
Michaela, grab your pencils. Or actually, if you want to grab your colors, that would be fun.
Okay.
Grab your greens, just like my color. Okay.
I'm matching you.
Yeah.
I'm matching you.
Yeah, green is my favorite color.
And your eyes flashing up.
Oh yeah. Do you want to give me a kiss? All right. Okay, let's move on.
You don't, Mrs. Frog.
Okay. Color or mark the one that is different.
Mrs. Frog. Here?
Mrs. Frog, she went to take a little trip with Mr. Max. I'm back. Sorry. I went for an ice cream with Mr. Max, but I'm back. I had a little bit of craving for ice cream.
I have a tongue like you, Mrs. Frog. Mr. Frog, you didn't make our milk soap.
Oh, yeah. Here in a few minutes when we take a little recess time, okay?
Okay.
All right.
But you did.
All right, let's look at the
But
following
only
picture.
Mommy's supposed to do. Mr. Froggie, Mr. Froggie.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you Mrs. Froggie? Froggie?
Yeah, I am.
And our name is Mr. Froggie and Mackenzie and Maverick and Bubba.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one is their books.
Okay.
My mom's name is named Carla.
Oh, okay.
And my daddy's name is named Dad.
Okay.
And
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one. And we said Mr. Dad, it starts with M. Hey, if you eat so much extra, that's not going to make you better. You go to the doctor and get shots.
Okay. Thank you for telling me that. Okay. Get back to your work. Go to the different one. So this is letter P. P. P.
Mrs.
P
Frog.
and D.
Mrs. Frog.
So this one.
Mrs. Frog,
Yes, ma'am.
you're not the mom.
But I'm her little helper. Yes, ma'am. I love to help. Yeah, what page are we on, Miss Michaela?
Apple 2.
Okay.
It says 22.
Okay, now I want you guys to draw the letter P with your finger. Follow the arrow. Follow number 1. Then follow number 2. Good job. All right. Now I want you guys to tell me what letters are in the corner of the page.
Case P.
Very good. Okay. Now I want you guys to color the pear with green because pears are green.
But some are yellow.
That's correct.
My brother and me.
Hi, Maverick.